Very good morning, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. It's really good to be back after suffering COVID-19 virus. I'm thankfully negative from the virus. However, because of the pneumonia, I'm actually still having some issues breathing and controlling my breath, of course. But the doctor said that it's gonna take a while, between 3 to 4 weeks, could be up to 8 weeks even. But hopefully that's gonna be it. I mean, I'm feeling a lot better, that's for sure. And of course, I wanted to thank everyone in the comments who wished me a fast recovery. And actually, I was reading the comments one after another, and I was really feeling overwhelmed with the care, I would say, and for your love, and really appreciate it, guys. And hopefully I will be fully recovered very soon. Meanwhile, actually, I was really surprised to see the signals doing really very well. I mean, I was away from the signals, and Angela was taking full care of the signals. And I woke up today morning and saw the results. It's amazing what's happening so far in the signals. I mean, I saw that many signals have actually reached take profit number 2 and even 3 CAD JPY 100 pips of profit. And as we can see, of course there will be some small losses here and there, which is very normal. Yesterday actually was also outstanding. Look at that. Yesterday 2 signals have reached the take profit number 3, making these 2 signals alone 200 pips of profits, not to mention of course the other signals which have made good profit as well. So definitely we're doing very well, and again I'm very proud of Angela's work. She's definitely doing very well, and the signals are up to the expectations, and Extreme Trader name is again up in the sky. Thank you, Angela, for this hard work, and thank you for these amazing signals. And I hope everyone are actually enjoying making profits with these signals. So of course, if you wish to join Extreme Trader Forex Signals groups, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today, and hopefully we will see you there. Alright, my friends, so let's now check what happened in the last weekly analysis that I have sent, and let's review the signals together. Let's start of course with the EURUSD. Now the EURUSD has actually reversed exactly from the level where I have mentioned at 1.18811. As we can see, the pair has actually made several reversals right from that point where we have mentioned that we can start shorting the pair. However, right now we are seeing this strong engulfing candle, the bullish engulfing candle. This candle is actually worrying me because if it's not this candle, I would say that everything is gonna be fine and the signal is still running normal, and we can keep it running all the way for the take profit level. However, it's all up to how this candle gonna closes. Now we have to wait for this candle to close first, because most likely if it has closed as it is right now as a strong bullish engulfing candle, it means most likely that the EURUSD is going to actually continue the rise this time, and it's going to exceed our sell level, and it's going to continue the rise till it reaches the highest level of the resistance at 1.19120. If that happens, that's going to be another good level to start shorting the pair. So let me just make sure that I'm clearing this. For the EURUSD, if you have ever seen that the pair is actually going to continue the rise, then the best next level to start shorting again the pair is going to be at 1.19077. Let me just write it for you. So you can sell again at 1.19077. Of course, keeping the same safe zone and keeping the same take profit level. This is just another like a backup order, or you can say like another option for us if in case the signal has went above our entry level and entered the safe zone. But however, we are still in the safe zone. So if the signal ever go above this level, we are fine. You can keep the trade running, and I'm telling you, you can expect from the pair to reverse exactly right from this level, and hopefully after that it's gonna continue the fall. So far everything says, even on the daily chart, that the EURUSD should be good for the short. So far it's nothing good about it for the rise, so therefore I would stick to my words and say EURUSD is still valid for the short. Let's take a look at the pound USD. Pound USD also has reversed several times right from the level where I have mentioned we can start shorting it. It was actually a perfect reversal, as you can see right here, right from this point, my friends. It was a perfect reversal, so the pair has reversed in total of 56 pips before actually it rises again, reaches the same level and reverses, and right now again another strong bullish engulfing candle has appeared. Seems like the pair is getting ready for a third attempt for breaking out from that level of the resistance. However, I would say that we're still fine in the pound USD signal. Now, if the pair has ever continued to rise, we can expect from the pair to actually start the bearish reversal exactly from 1.39557. So you can expect from the pound USD to go for about 25 or 24 pips inside the safe zone before it's gonna reverses finally. So again, all seems good for the pound USD. There is absolutely nothing to be changed. I think the signal is still valid, and hopefully we will make good profits out of it. Let's take a look at the AUDUSD. AUDUSD is the only signal that actually not going well. As we can see, the pair did not reverse as expected from 0.73644, and I apologize for anyone who have lost money on this signal. I think it's no longer valid, and however, all in all, I still believe that the AUDUSD is good for the short, but however, we just need to find where exactly we can start shorting the pair. Now, if we look at the daily chart, we can see clearly that this resistance right here has already been respected right here, as we can see, but however, the pair still seems like it's gonna continue the bullish reversal. However, it's not yet the right time for the AUDUSD to fall. We have to expect from the pair to continue the rise even more till it reaches the peak of the resistance exactly right here. Now, there are several reasons that I'm thinking that the pair is going to continue to rise till this level. First of all, this was a strong key support level, as you can see right here, and also it was the nearest strong resistance level on the daily chart. Most likely, this is exactly where the AUDUSD is gonna reverses, and we can start shorting the pair right from that level, because if the pair is ever gonna be able to actually break out from that level of the resistance, then oh boy, we're looking for a strong bullish momentum for the AUDUSD, and I really highly doubt that this is gonna happen. Therefore, I would have to say that AUDUSD should be good for the short after rises for another 30 pips at 0.74415. That being said, new level for shorting the AUDUSD is 0.74415. Actually, my friends, talking and speaking is still an issue. Actually, this is the longest I have ever talked since my infection with the virus. That's why actually I'm pausing every few seconds after saying anything, just to take a breath and drink water. It's actually frustrating, but you guys really deserve it. I really love everyone here on my channel, and I believe hopefully this is gonna help them to earn some money, and hopefully we'll learn more about trading Forex. So yeah, that's all for the AUDUSD. Hopefully it's gonna be a good signal and we will make good profits out of it. Let's take a look at the USDCAD. So USDCAD, as you can see, my friends, has reversed just 10 pips before reaching our entry point for the buy, and it has went all the way straight to the take profit level, making 124 pips of profit. Of course, I cannot take the credit for this signal, but however, the direction was correct. Let's see now what we can do next with the USDCAD. Actually, the USDCAD has reversed exactly right from that level of the resistance, right here on 1.25741, which means that this resistance has been respected and it keeps the position again as a resistance, not to mention, of course, the several attempts right here on the same level of the resistance. Now, what is next with the USDCAD? Most likely, let me just give me a second, please. So here's my expectations for the USDCAD. As you can see, my friends, I have drawn here a support trend line, and seems like the pair is gonna actually continue climbing its way on this support trend line. And of course, we can see that here we had a strong key resistance level on 1.24793. If I'm not mistaken, that's gonna be another good level to start again buying the USDCAD. So therefore, buying the USDCAD at 1.24793 should be fine actually, exactly right from this level. Let me delete the old signal right here, and this one rises a little bit more, not like this, exactly like that, and like this. Perfect. So actually regarding the take profit level, we can just increase it a little bit more to be exactly right here at the highest peak of this resistance. And if I'm not mistaken, in general we are looking actually for a bigger target. If the USDCAD is actually going to continue the rise, we can look for we actually can be aiming the peak of the resistance at 1.27849. but however, for the meantime, this is going to be our target. Let me just change the take profit level to be 1.260, sorry, 1.26020. There goes your signal for the USDCAD, and hopefully it will work very well and bring us lots of profits. Let's take a look at the USDJPY. So USDJPY has actually reversed also before reaching our entry point. I think just like 17 pips or 8, yeah, about 20 pips before reaching our entry point, and it went down in 71 pips so far. However, USDJPY is still moving in a very strong bearish momentum, and I believe that we can start again shorting the USDJPY exactly right from this level of the resistance at 109.2401. Let me just explain the reason why. Let me just delete the old signal, and let me just go to the 4-hour time frame. And as we can see here, my friends, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly that this level has actually been a strong key support level, and also it was a resistance, as we can see right here. And this long tail right here indicates a strength in the level. So once the pair actually gonna be once the pair was able to break out from that previous level of the support, it means that this level is very strong as a support level. So most likely the retest is gonna happen right here, and most likely it's gonna respect the level. So this resistance right here is gonna keep its position again as a resistance, and the same level of the strong key support level is gonna be retested. Therefore, we can start shorting again USDJPY right from that point of 109.241. Therefore, sell USDJPY at 109.241. And let me just write for you the entire signal. Hold on, please. So here goes your signal for the USDJPY. As you can see, my friends, we're going to short exactly from this level of the resistance, and the target is gonna be the nearest support to our entry, which is gonna be exactly right here, which means we are aiming approximately 91 pips. Hopefully gonna be a very good profits. USDCHF signal is still valid as it is. Still the signal hasn't been triggered. It's just like 25 or 23 pips far away from our entry point. I'm still relying on this strong support level right here, which was previously a strong resistance right here as well. So therefore, USDCHF signal, nothing changed at all about it. I believe it's gonna be triggered very soon, and hopefully it's gonna also be a very good signal. And same goes, of course, for the gold. The gold right now is actually ranging inside this resistance zone, as you can see right here. This is the resistance zone. So right now the gold is moving in this neutral channel, but however, I'm relying actually on this strong key support level right here, which was previously a strong support in the past. Not to mention, of course, that we had right here a strong bullish engulfing candle, or actually bullish breakout candle, and this the wick right here is the nearest one to the breakout candle, which means most likely that the gold is eventually gonna reverses upon the pressure from the resistance on 1815, and then it's gonna continue the fall all the way to our entry point, and hopefully it's gonna be really a good level to start buying the gold. So all in all, gold signal is still valid. We still need to wait some time for it to be triggered. However, this might take a while, but in general, that's in my opinion how the gold is actually gonna move. I think it's gonna give up upon the pressure from this resistance on 1815, and that's it guys for the midweek analysis. I think everything is clear, and hopefully we will make good profits from these signals. In the end, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.